Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Chandra Awesome. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to explain about a new trick in the Extrude tool, and I didn't observe that before also. Right now I got it, and let me explain you what I observed it. So what is the use of Extrude tool? We need to make the sketches and turn the sketches into 3D parts, right? So let's select the Extrude tool, and we already have it in drawn sketch. Click on it, and when click on it, is extruded in the direction parallel to the plane. So but I want to extrude in other direction, so how we can do that? Here we have a tool called direction tool. Check mark on it, and is asking direction, in which direction you want. So let me explain, show me the all planes and zoom it, and I want to change extrude direction in this way, but it will not work because it is over constrained. We can't, that the extrude tool will work only in x, y, z directions, other than the direction it will not work. So let's deselect this. But if you want to instead to extrude in other angles, we can do that just by selecting this mate connector. Click on this, enable this mate connector, and go to the sketch, and it will show a mate connector option. Select any of the points and select the mate, mark the mate connector. After mark it, you can see the extrude directions acted as a mate connector. So when you click on, move the mouse to it is asking click on edit. If you want to edit the mate connector, it is asking to click. So when you click on it, another dialog box will appear, just like a mate connector dialog box what we have launched, right? So here we can manipulate with the mate connector, so the direction of extrude will follow the same as in which direction the mate connector it will be. So let's, for example, if you want to move 15 degrees, the mate connector will move 50 degrees, but it will not show any effect because it is moving on the same plane only. So even you can also change y direction, it do the same. Even you can also change the z, it is also same. It will not show any difference. It is asking the direction. So to change the directions, here we have that rotate about z-axis. The z-axis is parallel, right? So if you want to rotate in x direction, click on rotate x direction and give how much degrees you want. So when I click on 60 degrees, the mate connector turn over 60 degrees to the x. So it will follow the direction of same of 60 degrees. See, the part of extrusion is also changed into 60 degrees direction, or else you can select the about y-axis also. It does the same operation of extrusion. So you can switch the primary axis, or else you can also rotate the mate connector. The extrude direction will be changed. So like this you can perform the other directions of extrusion by you making the sketch into 3D parts. I hope you might understand my topic, what I want to explain you, this tip. If you really like this tip, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all about today. Okay.